Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 73. Which one of the following is incorrect about characteristics of protobiont as envisaged in abiogenic origin of life? They could maintain an internal environment, they were able to reproduce, they could separate combinations of molecules from the surrounding, they were partially isolated from the surrounding. Correct answer is option 2, they were able to reproduce. Question number 53. Bioelastic technique is used in gene transfer process, tissue culture process, hybridization process, germplasm conservation process. Correct answer is option A. It is used in the gene transfer process. Question number 52. Select the correct statement from the ones given below with respect to a dihybrid cross. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosome show higher recombination. Genes far apart on same chromosome show very few recombination. Genes loosely linked on the same chromosome show similar recombination as the tightly linked ones. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosome show very few recombination. Correct statement regarding the dihybrid cross. Correct answer is option D. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosome show very few recombination. Question number 62. Which has the additional X chromosome? Additional X chromosome. Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, superfemale or Downs syndrome. Additional X. The correct answer is option B. In Klinefelter syndrome, there is an additional X chromosome. And what does the genetic formula become? 44 plus XXY. Question number 87. Prothallus of the fern produces option A spores, option B gametes, option C both spores and gametes, or option D cones. Prothallus of fern produces. Correct answer is option B gametes. Question number 54. Fern spores are usually option A haploid, option B diploid, option C triploid, or option D tetraploid. Fern spores are usually. Correct answer is option A, it is haploid. Question number 59. In angiosperms, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis, option A, occur in ovule, option B, occur in anther, option C, form gametes without further divisions, or option D, involves meiosis. Correct answer is option D, it involves meiosis. Question number 66. First vascular plant is option A thallophyte, option B pteridophyte, option C bryophyte, or option D spermatophyte. First vascular plant is. Correct answer is option B pteridophytes. Question number 100. Guard cells help in transpiration, guttation, fighting against infection, protection against grazing. Guard cells help in. Correct answer is option A. It helps in transpiration. Question number 81. Toxic agents present in food which interfere with thyroxine synthesis leads to development of toxic goiter, cretinism, simple goiter, thyrotoxicosis. The correct answer is option C, simple goiter. Question number 100. Which of the following amino acid is the pioneer in the formation of polypeptide chain in protein synthesis? Methionine, leucine, lysine, glycine. Correct answer is option A, methionine. Question number 97. Tobacco plants resistant to a nematode have been developed by introduction of DNA that produced a particular hormone, an antefeedant, a toxic protein, both sense and antisense RNA. The correct answer is option 4, that produce both sense and antisense RNA. Question number 51. Which one of the following is an example of ex situ conservation? Wildlife sanctuaries, seed bank, sacred groves, national park. The correct answer is option 2, seed bank. Ex situ, in situ, I have already explained what ex situ means. Outside its natural environment. In situ means within its natural environment. So in case of animals or the various natural species, it is their natural forest environment. So whenever any conservation method is there outside the forest environment, it's an example of ex situ conservation. Example in the seed banks. Question number 86. The two gases making highest relative contribution to the greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide and methane, methane and N2O, CFCs and N2O, carbon dioxide and N2O. The correct answer is option 1, carbon dioxide and methane. Question number 15. In angiosperms, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis occur in ovule, occur in anther, form gametes without further division, involve meiosis. So which of the following point about microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis in angiosperms is correct? So correct answer is option D. Both of these processes involve meiosis. Now guys, before reaching to the last final slide on which I wish you all thank you. Guys, आज शाम को 9 PM sharp I would be taking live class again, and this would be the third class of excretory system, and today and tomorrow itself we are going to finish off with the excretory system. So be there for the part 3 of excretory system. I hope part 1 part 2 आप लोगों ने देख ली होगी. अगर नहीं देखा है तो वो भी अनअकैडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म में अवेलेबल है. I would be taking live class, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे रखा है. आफ्टर द डाउटनट वाला पूरा लिंक, उसके बाद आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में अनअकैडमी के लाइव क्लास का लिंक मिल जाएगा. यू कैन गो विजिट दैट लिंक, फॉलो माई प्रोफाइल, ताकि फ्यूचर में कोई भी चीज अब अगर अपलोड कर रहा हूं मैं वहां पे, कोई भी लाइव क्लास ले रहा हूं मैं, आप लोग को उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. एंड वहां पे जैसे आप लाइव क्लास ज्वाइन करेंगे, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का लिंक मिल जाएगा अमंग्स द पिन्ड कमेंट्स. वहां पे आप जाकर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, विच आई स्पेशली क्रिएटेड फॉर द लाइव क्लास लर्नर्स, ताकि आप लोग को मैं अपडेटेड रख सकूं विद माय फ्यूचर प्लान्स ऑफ कौन कौन से लेसन हम वहां पे कवर करने वाले हैं एंड कब कब हम लाइव आ रहे हैं वहां पे. सो आई विल सी यू गाइस 9 PM sharp with my live class. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.